To unlock all the features in financials, the first step is creating your budget. Following your personalized Bill Buddy workflow, you will get a task prompting you to engage with a professional estimator at the right time. Some of you may have already completed this task. For those of you who haven't, after you engage with your selected estimator, they will produce estimates for you based on your plans and selections. These estimates will appear in the financials section. If you don't see it, contact your estimator for them to upload your latest estimate to the Bill Buddy platform via their Qubit software on their end. Once you have a final estimate uploaded, you will see this notification appear at the top of the screen. When you are completely happy with your final estimate, click the orange button and confirm. And then your estimate will be locked in as your budget. Be careful that you only lock in after you have thoroughly checked your estimate, as this action cannot be undone. Now that you have locked in your budget, the rest of the financial section will appear. Let's talk about the financial summary. This gives you a clear snapshot of your project's budget and how your spend is tracking. First off, you can easily track your budget against different cost codes, filter, search, and see where money is going with just a few clicks. If you need more detail on any of these, simply click and it will take you straight to that cost code inside the Spend versus Budget tracking tool. I'll talk more about that in just a moment. On the rest of the financial summary screen, you can see a visual representation of your forecast total. Plus, you'll see the percentage of tasks you've completed, which may be useful for your bank. A market comparison tool showing you how much Bill Buddy has already saved you in comparison to using a traditional building company, and then 2 simple graphs that break down your spending trends and cumulative spending over time. Now for the best part, the Spend versus Budget tab, where you can track spending in real time. This entire section is automatically populated, so how easy is that? As you complete your tasks and make payments inside the Bill Buddy platform, it will automatically track any spend to the correct cost code in your budget. This tab lets you see exactly how much you've spent in comparison to your budget for each task. You can also make payments, add any additional expenses, and download receipts here. This is exactly the same as if you were inside a task on the Payment tab. On each cost center, you can see here a progress bar, an easy visual representation of how you are spending against your budget. The colors here are quite simple to understand. As you spend, the progress bar will fill in orange. If you overspend at any time, it will turn red. If you haven't actually paid yet and just accepted a quote, that is tracked here too, but simply shows like this instead of solid. It will turn solid once you have paid. If you actually allocated funds in your digital wallet instead of paying direct, it will look like this, a dark orange color, until you decide to pay. So when you do pay, it will turn to the bright orange color. Once all tasks have been completed for that cost center, any remaining budget will be indicated as green, as that has now become savings. If you want to track any additional expenses, as always, you can do this inside of a task. Otherwise, you can do it from here as well. Select a cost center and task that you think best suits your expense you wish to add. Then simply click this button here. If you want to refer back to your budget at any time, you can navigate to your budget at the top here, or you can also do it from inside the Spend versus Budget tab. Simply toggle between your spend and budget views by clicking the toggle here. The toggle appears whenever you open a cost center. Now, making changes to your budget is not recommended, as it has been created by a professional estimator. However, we understand that life can change. If you want to edit your budget, all you have to do is navigate to the Budget tab and open the cost center you wish to edit. Select the pen tool of the line item you want to change, and it will let you tweak details like quantity or rate. Once you click Save, the User Variation column updates instantly, showing how your changes impact the overall budget in real time. It's fast, simple, and keeps your budget in check. The original locked estimate will always be visible here for you to refer back to. So, if you've got your final estimate ready, ask your pro estimator to upload it, then lock it in and dive into the new financials features.